Good afternoon. I'm going to demonstrate the current research information system, PURE, created by a company called Atira, and show how JournalTOCs could fit in. The user would add a publication by clicking on Create Publication, and then a contribution to a journal. And let's select a peer-reviewed article. Now normally the researcher would have to enter all the information about the article manually, which is quite a lengthy task. This example I'm going to show is from a researcher in Denmark, where they have a name authority service. So if the researcher wanted to add co-authors, they would simply start to type in the surname and the system would automatically provide suggestions. This would include the co-author's position and their affiliation. So simply scroll through the list and decide which one was their co-author. The system could also remember co-authors that they have previously collaborated with. Okay, the rest of this demonstration is going to show where the JournalTOCsAPI could help complete some of the additional metadata. Let's return to the information about the article. So you can see that the author still needs to manually complete the title of the article and other information about the journal. The JournalTOCsAPI could fit in here, as we have collected the titles, print ISSN and online ISSN of over 12,000 journals, allowing the user to look up and auto-suggest this metadata. If we return to the article, we can still see that there is a lot of additional metadata for the author to complete. Okay. For example, the title, abstract, keywords, the date of submission, the year published, the exact date published, the volume, issue, page numbers, and even the language of the article. The next part of the demonstration is going to import this metadata from an external source. So let's create another publication, but this time let's select Publication Import. In this case we'll import from PubMed, but JournalTOCs could be added here as another source of recently published articles. So we simply enter the PubMed ID number and then click Import. This will then import the metadata from the article directly from PubMed, and this saves the user a lot of time. JournalTOCs articles similarly could be added here, where the user could search for their recently published articles, perhaps by title or by keyword. But another, perhaps more useful implementation would be for JournalTOCs to automatically suggest to authors papers that they may have written.